Hi, I'm Ann Jablonski, and I've had the privilege of a 2-decade-plus relationship with the Feathered Pipe Ranch. 9 years ago, when we were first dreaming up the idea of the Mindful Unplug, I knew I didn't want it to be about one teacher, one dogma, one voice saying, this is the only way to do it. Instead, we wanted to create a retreat where everyone was free to discover their own path, find their own wisdom, and find their own way of being fully alive in this crazy world. I'm thrilled that I'm once again going to be sharing the week with my dear, beloved, very talented friend, Matthew Marsolek. For my part, I'm going to be sharing accessible to all yoga, mindful movement, Dharma talks. There'll be a special emphasis on the gifts of embodiment, the art of deeply listening skillfully to what's happening inside and moving in harmony with the land that's all around us. This year marks the 50th anniversary of the Feathered Pipe. That is a miracle. And as ever before, the land of the Feathered Pipe Ranch is going to be one of our most important teachers for the week. It holds us in its raw beauty. It holds us in its amazing stillness. And it invites transformation in the most natural way possible. Can't wait to share the week with you.
Hello, Matthew Marsolek here. I'm giving a shout out about the Mindful Unplug Experience 2025. I'm so excited to be joining Ann Jablonski again for a week-long experience, diving into embodiment, into rhythm, into movement, into great nature around us at the Feathered Pipe Ranch. I hope to see you there. Come enter into the rhythm and find the rhythm of community. We'll see you soon.